What we see in the physical body is only the grossest, densest version of what the entire organism is. We call this the Annamaya kosha. A kosha means a sheath. Maya in this case does not mean maya, it means possessed of. And Anna means food. So the Annamaya kosh is that manifestation of an individual created from that one zygote that is nourished by food, is made unbalanced by food, is brought back into balance by food. So the most often employed method of treatment in Ayurveda focuses on that physical body, on food, on substances and actions which can act as medicines, on understanding what substances and actions are acting as poisons, and in reorganizing the individual and his or her interaction with the environment so that poison can be minimized, nutrition can be maximized, and medicine can be applied whenever necessary. The Annamaya kosha is, however, very much an externalization, and it is the part of the organism that has the greatest amount of tamas, the greatest amount of stability. Stability is valuable when it is actually creating stability, but when it becomes stuckness, when it becomes over stable, when it becomes resistant to change, then there is very likely some sort of pathology that will occur. The immediately less dense and more subtle sheath of the reality of a human being is the pranamaya kosha. And that is the body that is sometimes called the vital or the etheric body in English. And that body is created from prana, and it is nourished by prana, it's made unbalanced by prana, and it is brought back into balance by prana. More subtle than the pranic body is the sukshma sharira, the manomaya kosha, that is nourished by thoughts and emotions and memories and all other kinds of mental faculties. And it is made unbalanced by these things, and it is brought back into balance by these things. These are the three koshas that we mainly address in Ayurveda. The Vijnanamaya kosha and the Anandamaya kosha are much too subtle for the ordinary day-to-day intervention that Ayurveda specializes in. And it's important to remember that all three of these koshas, in addition to the Vijnanamaya kosha and the Anandamaya kosha, they are always interacting with one another. Information is always being passed from the one to the other in both directions at all times.